Hey guys, today we're going to show you how easy it is to back up all of your 3CX servers with this simple tool that we've just added to PBXMonitor. This is the new central backup tool which backs your 3CX servers directly up to your PBXMonitor cloud storage, which is also a new feature as of the last 2 weeks. To get started, all you have to do is select a group of PBXs or individuals if you want to set them to different times. For the purposes of this video, we're just going to do a batch. So we'll select all PBXs since we don't have any existing jobs in here. We're going to say back them up every day. And we're going to set the starting time to right now. What this will do is it'll back them up at the same time every day at 1:07 p.m. Oh, I guess I didn't click on it. There we go. All right, so we have our pull jobs. Now the system will automatically stagger them by 1-minute intervals so that you don't have 100 backup jobs all firing in the same minute. And if we come over here and just refresh periodically, we'll see the backup jobs start to fall in. One thing you'll want to watch for in case you're planning to download them within minutes of the backup, refresh a few times and make sure that the file size has stopped changing to indicate the file has finished downloading. That PBX is rather small. It's only just been set up for testing purposes. have to look into why that backup is so large. It's probably backing up the recordings too. But as you can see, it works with that as well, although we do discourage that unless you want to use large amounts of storage. Okay, we'll go ahead and wait for that to finish. In the meantime, there is also a cloud backup log here where you can see the actions that have been taken by the automatic backup system. As you can see, every time it pulls a backup, it logs it so that you can review the log to see the status of the backups and when they were backed up. You can see in here I was doing some testing earlier and yesterday because we just released this feature officially last night. Looks like we're still going. Finally finished. The system also logs deletions of the backups from the stored 3CX backup section. So if we were to go over here and delete that large backup, deletions are not instantaneous because the storage is an archival storage type. So it takes a moment for them to disappear. There we go. And now we'll go back to the cloud backup log, and you'll see that backup job was deleted. And it's as simple as that. Regarding questions about adding storage, we're currently including 2 gigabytes of storage for standard and advanced plan users, and you can add on to the storage from there a couple of different ways. Method 1 is switch to a dedicated plan, and at the base dedicated level you get 20 gigabytes of usable space, and you can add on to it from there from using this pricing here. You can also do the same thing from the second tier, third tier, and fourth tier dedicated server plans. The second tier gives you 40 usable gigabytes, I believe, and I don't recall the exact figures for the third and fourth tier, although it's listed on the pricing page. Any of the plans, you can add storage to them using the pricing you see here. One of the other features that's a little bit less known that's new that we just added is if you go to a specific PBX, go to backup settings. Previously, you could not download these backup jobs from the PBX itself. Now you can. if you click on the name of one of these 3 backup jobs, or however many are in there for your particular PBX, you can actually tell PBXMonitor to download them to your cloud storage. Now, as we've already just run the automatic backup, that backup already exists in our cloud storage. What if we want to pull a older backup because something changed and we need to revert? So you'll do this one instead, and then you'll see it's been scheduled for download. So then we come over here to our cloud storage, and we'll see that backup is in the process of pulling down. And there it is. Once the backup is successfully finished downloading in your cloud storage, you can just click on the link and download it to your computer. And then from there, you know how to work with 3CX backups, I would assume. These zip files have been renamed to make them easier to keep track of which PBX and what date they're from, but these are standard 3CX zip file backups that you can use to import right into a PBX server to restore it. There's no format changes have been done. Hopefully this helps you out and shows you what our new backup system can do. Take care, guys.